Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion Workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Notion Workspace, begin by navigating to the Notion website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and then click on Continue. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Notion. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Notion site to set up your account. Next, create a strong password for your Notion Workspace. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've created your password, click on Create Account. You will be asked a few questions about how you plan to use Notion. Select the options that best fit your needs and hit Continue. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a workspace name. Enter your preferred workspace name and click Create Workspace. After this, you may have the option to invite team members or proceed solo. If you want to invite others, enter their email addresses and click Send Invites. Otherwise, select Skip for now to continue. You'll now see a brief tutorial guiding you through Notion's features. Take your time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its tools. Once you're ready, you can start adding pages and customizing your workspace. Congratulations, your Notion workspace is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.